So this is Lowe's Kolbalt, Harbor Freight, Pittsburgh. Let's check it out. See what we're dealing with. Let's try and compare two similar tool boxes. This one feels a lot nicer already. I mean, both look, kind of cheap plastic. But this one at least has a little grip. Let's check it out. Like I said, these are two similar, about the same price toolboxes. This one cost me around 30 bucks. This one cost me around 45 and it was on sale. But it looks like the Kolbalt has a little bit more bang for your buck. Includes a leveler. This one doesn't. You got extension on this one. You got one right here. Let's see. You got a hammer. What the hell is this? Little toy hammer. I mean, we'll get the job done. I got these mainly to keep in one in my truck and one in my car over there. This one looks a lot beefier. Yeah. These are just common general tools. Like I said, this one's for my car, and this one's for my truck. Both got tape measures. 12 foot. This one's what, 10 feet? Little 10 feet. Dang, it feels like fucking toy. It's a little better quality. I mean, 30 bucks, like I said, for this. 45. From 100 to 45. It was on sale. But they'll get the job done.